Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Have you ever felt like your living room entertainment is stuck in the past, even while your phone gets smarter every single day? We are living in a time where Apple is pushing the boundaries of what a streaming box can actually do. If you think the Apple TV is just a simple box for Netflix or YouTube, you are missing out on a massive shift happening right now. From a complete visual overhaul to rumors of a powerhouse hardware refresh, things are changing fast. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know about the current state of Apple TV, the latest updates, and what the future holds for your home theater setup. The current landscape of Apple TV is defined by the tvOS 26 series, which has brought some of the most significant changes we have seen in years. The latest stable version, tvOS 26.3, is currently available and focuses on keeping your system running smoothly with key performance and stability improvements. But the real story is the foundation laid by the entire tvOS 26 generation. Apple introduced a new design language called Liquid Glass. This isn't just a fancy name, it's an interface that uses real-time refraction and reflection to make your screen feel more alive and immersive. It keeps the focus where it belongs, on the content you are actually watching. Beyond the visuals, Apple has finally addressed the pain points of shared households with enhanced app profiles. You can now set up dedicated profiles for friends and family without needing them to have their own individual Apple accounts. This means everyone gets their own personalized watch list, and you can even set age-appropriate restrictions for children directly through the profile settings. It is a much-needed quality-of-life upgrade. Music lovers also got a boost with the ability to use an iPhone as a dedicated microphone for Apple Music Sing, turning your living room into a full-blown karaoke stage. FaceTime on the big screen also received a personal touch with support for contact posters, making every call feel more familiar, and expanded live caption support in multiple languages to ensure everyone can follow along easily. While we are currently enjoying these features, Apple is not slowing down. The next big step is the upcoming tvOS 26.4 update, which is currently moving through the developer beta phase. This update is specifically targeting the technical frustrations that power users have been asking to fix. We are looking at significant audio improvements, including a continuous audio connection, feature designed to eliminate those annoying HDMI handshake delays and audio dropouts when switching between apps or audio formats. It is a game changer for anyone using premium soundbars or complex home theater receivers. Additionally, Apple is finally cleaning up the interface by migrating all remaining content from the legacy iTunes movies and TV shows apps directly into the main Apple TV app. This means a cleaner home screen and a more unified experience. They are also adding more granular control over subtitle styles, so you can customize exactly how text appears on your screen without having to dive into deep accessibility menus. Looking ahead, the rumor mill is buzzing about a major hardware refresh expected later in 2026. While nothing is officially confirmed, the industry is pointing toward a new model that could bridge the gap between a simple streaming device and a high-end gaming console. We are hearing reports about the potential inclusion of the A17 Pro or even A19 chip, which would bring hardware-accelerated ray tracing to your TV. This would open the door for console-quality gaming experiences right in your living room. There is also chatter about support for 8K output and smoother, higher frame rate playback. Perhaps most exciting is the expected deeper integration with on-device AI. This would likely mean much faster Siri responses, more proactive smart home control, and an Apple TV that better understands the context of your home, effectively turning it into an even more capable smart home hub. In my opinion, the Apple TV is becoming much more than a box for streaming. It is becoming the brain of the modern home. The shift toward better audio stability and smarter AI integration shows that Apple is listening to its power users. If you are already in the Apple ecosystem, the current version of tvOS makes the experience feel incredibly cohesive and polished. While the hardware upgrades rumored for later this year sound impressive, especially for gamers, the current Apple TV 4K remains an incredibly capable and reliable performer. It is, without a doubt, the premium choice for anyone who values a clean, high-quality, and integrated living room experience.